2 from any of the 17.
The Tuesday marathon session, chaired by Speaker Anita Among, was dominated by deliberations of a number of bills, including the National Sports Amendment Bill 2023, as returned by the President, and the Financial Institutions Amendment Bill 2023.
The committee has examined the proposal by His Excellency the President and observed that the National Sports Bill as returned by the President under Schedule 2 does not include kickboxing.
The President returned the National Sports Bill, advising that the number of board members be 7, including the chairperson. The President did not want a huge number of board members, which he argued that would put a financial strain on government resources.
You have agreed that there are 7 board members. We have agreed that there are 17 regions. We have agreed that there are representatives of athletes, representatives of the private sector, representatives of persons with knowledge, representatives of National Sports Federation. So we have 23. So from 23 interests, you must choose 7.
The MPs amended the Principal Act of the Financial Institutions Act 2004 to delete a clause in Section 115B, subsection 2, which was giving liberty to the central bank to accommodate a Central Advisory Council overseeing the business and services of Islamic banking.
The chair of that advisory council is the Governor, Bank of Uganda. The secretary to it is the Secretary for Legal Department to advise on the products called Islamic financing.
The Bank of Uganda should never determine the business model of any commercial institution. It should never sit and tell you what kind of product you should send to your customer.
The MPs unanimously agreed that the clause created in an amendment in 2016 was in bad spirit, although the Finance Committee had wanted the powers to be shifted to the Minister of Finance to deem fit at an appropriate time.
But from the engagements on the floor of Parliament, we realize that if that is given, it will bring a compromise between the Bank of Uganda Act, which establishes the hierarchy, including the board at Bank of Uganda.
Islamic banking is one of the unsung services which experts believe, if supported, can boost the country's economy.
And what we are now saying, that since all other commercial banks have their boards in place, we cannot discriminate and have the Sharia board in Bank of Uganda. Bank of Uganda's work is to monitor the operations of other commercial banks. I know people have been lobbied. I want to put this on record. People have been lobbied not to allow this Islamic banking go through, including myself. But we must pass it.
Daniel Mugoya, Gloria Gutabinji, UBC News.